Stacked broiler chicken automated cage rearing equipment. Hengon farm solution. Production of Cascade broiler automated cage equipment. It is to digest and absorb advanced European technology, at the same time, combined with the domestic feeding situation. An intelligent feeding equipment developed. The equipment has the advantages of saving materials, coal, electricity, medicine, and labor. Multiple breeding is easy to manage and the survival rate is high. The advantages of low input and high output and high comprehensive efficiency. Improving land utilization and food safety. At the same time, it is preventing the destruction of the ecological environment. Have significant advantages. Realized automatic feeding, drinking water, and manure cleaning. Attack environment automatic control, greatly reduced the labor intensity of workers. Each person can keep 4-60,000. Saved labor costs. The cage net is made using the advanced 275 grams hot dip magnesium aluminum zinc. Long corrosion resistance life. Single chicken coop size 1.25 meters wide, 1.6 meters deep, and 0.46 meters high. Easy chicken immune feeding and diet. Good ventilation effect. Automatic manure cleaning system. Automatic manure cleaning system. Adopt a manure removal system that matches vertically and horizontally. Clean chicken manure every 2-3 days. The manure from each layer of the flock is scattered on the manure removal belt. Chicken manure runs to the end of the manure cleaning belt through 2 manure scraping devices. Fall into the horizontal manure cleaning belt in the house. Finally, the oblique manure cleaning belt outside the house. Send it to the dung truck and transport it away. Tilt scrapers are installed in each row and layer at the end of the belt. Flexible double layer scraper. Not only can it ensure that the manure cleaning belt will not be damaged, and complete manure removal can be achieved. Drive roller outer surface over all rich rubber. Increase friction. Solve the problem of deviation of the manure cleaning belt. Extends the service life of the manure belt. Automatic chicken production system. The bottom net of the chicken coop can be moved freely. After removing, the chickens landed on the cleaned up dung conveyor belt. The decontamination conveyor runs in the direction of the driver. The chickens are transported to a horizontally liftable conveyor through horizontal conveyor belts. Put the chicken from the side near the gable. Send out. By collecting conveyor belts, the chickens are transported to the turntable for packing. This automated chicken feeding system saves labor and effort. Also avoid chicken injuries. Improve the quality of the chicken. Environmental automatic control system. Stacked broiler cage equipment. Adopt fully enclosed feeding. Pass the imported environmental control instrument. Automatic control of the environment in the chicken coop. Oil lateral ventilation. There's also vertical ventilation. As the climate outside changes, the computer automatically switches the ventilation mode. Short-term high temperature season in summer. Vertical ventilation mode for comprehensive cooling. Roof fans and side windows are all closed. Open all wet curtains. Implement water cooling system according to the required temperature set. Automatically turn on different fan groups. Make the indoor temperature meet the requirements of chicken flock growth. The temperature is suitable in spring and autumn. No need for wet curtain cooling. The system automatically shuts down the lost water pump. During this period, air enters from the missing trend. According to the set temperature requirements, the number of required fans to be activated. To achieve the purpose of ventilation and exhaust, temperatures are lower in winter. Adopt lateral ventilation mode. Turn off the gable fan and wet curtain into the trend. Room air enters through the side wind window. The dirty gas is discharged through the roof fan. This season is mainly for ventilation. The environmental controller is based on the temperature and humidity determined in the room. Automatic adjustment. Automatic exchange of indoor longitudinal and transverse ventilation all year round. Chickens can grow at the right temperature and humidity. This decreases the mortality rate of chickens. Reduced feed-to-meat ratio. Economic benefits are greatly improved.